My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser pop-ups that come from the site Adshome.xyz. Adshome.xyz is a deceptive website that may attack Google Chrome. Typically, it is presented as some Chrome update notification. It may tell you that you need to install some update urgently. However, we strongly urge you not to interact with these fake alerts by adshome.xyz. They actually try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software in the form of unwanted browser extensions. These extensions may hijack some crucial browser settings, and because of that, your search queries would be redirected through some other fake search engines not chosen by you. So be careful, don't tolerate these pop-ups by adshome.xyz. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into Google Chrome, go to the menu More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Finally, I recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and begin carefully researching and investigating your system to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.